Hi, authors. Would want to show you how to access your reports if CLC is your superhost, so that you can get the report for all the sales and how your book is doing. So you do not need to call anybody or ask how your book is doing. You can be able to access that by yourself. So the login, which is private and confidential for the authors in ACABA, is africanauthors.net//author -login/, and that will be shared with you by the author administrator for your particular year. And so from here, you can put in your email address, which is the email that you used to log in when you registered and submitted your book. Then you put the password. You can click remember me if you're on a secure private computer or laptop. And then we're going to click that. So here we are, you're on this page called login and register. You can see your details here. We are using the author Abia Adna McKenna, the author of Conservative for Teens and the journal. So you can be able to see the information here. All right. So at the top right, we have these three horizontal lines. When you click on that, you can access the dashboard, among other things. So we're going to click on the dashboard. And here we are. You can be able to see, this is the information for this particular author. And this is where all your information will be shared. So this is the dashboard, the author's dashboard, and you're able to see the sales. You are able to see the earnings, the page views, and the orders that have come through for you. For this particular author, we can see there are a total of 8 orders. 6 have been completed. Maybe the others, some are on hold or being processed, cancelled, refunded, and so forth. So these are 7 orders. You can be able to see the sales that have come through. Kenya shilling 17,550, and the earning for this particular author is 14,040 shillings. And here at the bottom at the dashboard, you're able to see the number of products. So for the authors with more than one book, then you'll be able to see all the books will be hosted on the same dashboard. If you have one book, then your total product will be 1. If you have 5 books and you've set up with ACABA by CLC Kenya, you'll be able to see all your books there. And so we can go to the products. So by clicking the products, we are able to see the products that the author Abia Anna McKenna has. So this is the book program graduation that she did some time back. Then there's the book Conceive Achieve here. And then also the book comes with a tracker journal as an add-on or optional product. So you can put your products here. Here you can be able to see the status for the sales to happen. Then the status needs to be online. The reason why it can be offline is if your book is out of stock or you have not submitted the copies to be sold by ACABA by CLC Kenya. And then you can see the stock here. So you can see for the tracker journal, we have 9 in stock. For the Conservative 14th book, there is also 9 in stock. If you run a promotion and your book is on offer, then you'll be able to see the price is $9.90 and the offer is at $900. So the commissions or the money due to you will be off the final price, which is 900 shillings and not 990. All right, then we can check the orders. So we can be able to see the orders here. And here you're able to see if the order is completed, then it will appear as completed. If there was a refund to the reader or the customer, then it will appear here. If an order failed, then it also appear here. But for the completed orders, they will actually appear here, and you'll be able to see and the date that the orders came through, as well as the name of the customer that purchased. So if the order is coming from Jumia or from maybe Nuria Bookshop, or even from Amazon, or from African Book Hub, the Writers Guild, Camela Bookshop, and the many others where your book will be hosted, then you'll be able to see that the orders, the people who have actually made an order, so that you can be able to track and see which platform is working for you and where would you want to put more emphasis. Some books do better in one platform than the other. Nothing right or wrong about it, just where your customers are. So if Jumia is working for you, you'll be able to see most of your sales come from Jumia. And so you're able to actually put your emphasis into Jumia. Then we'll look at withdraw, how to access your money when you want to withdraw that. So this is the withdraw space. From your dashboard, you'll be able to see the balance that you have. Remember, this author has, the actual sales are much more than 13,000, but this is now the earnings for this particular author. And so in this case, your balance is 13,248. We have a minimum withdrawal amount of 2,000 to reduce the number of withdrawals. So 2,000 is a good figure. So you're able to come here, and if this author wanted to withdraw this amount, they just request a withdraw, and that request is going to be received by the ACABA team, and they will process. Then you can be able to see the payment details. This author has already asked for 6,136. You can ask for whatever amount you need, as long as it's more than 2,000. So for the author with 13,000, they can ask for the entire amount, 13,000. They can ask for 5,000, for 10,000, whatever it is that you want to withdraw per time. And then you can see the payment details here, which you need to set up. We'll do that in a minute. Then you're able to put up whether you want the money to be sent to the bank, or you want the money sent to your M-Pesa, or you want the money sent to your till number that you have, or you want your money sent to a PayPal account. Whichever place you want your money sent to, that is what you put at this section. Let's look at some settings. On this settings section, you have two things that you need to set up. First is your store, which is your shop, and the next one is payment. So for your store, you can put a banner here, and the specifications have been made. The banner size is 625 by 300 pixels. So you're able to put that so that when people go to your store, this is what they see. So you can put a banner there and design something that is the specific dimensions. Then you can upload your profile picture. It's important for you to sell the author and to brand the author. So upload your photo here. Your store name should be your author name, the way you registered in ACABA for consistency. And then you can put your details here, your street, your city, the post zip code, your country, and the state you're in, and then your phone number. This enable tab on product single page view, that's set like that by default. And then you update the settings. When you're done with that, you can look at the payment, where you want your money sent when you request for a withdrawal. So we are in the payment settings. So I would want, for this particular author, they would want the money sent to an account, ABI Expressions, the number 14502625, for it's not an actual account number, but put your actual account number, the true account number here, then your bank and the branch, the routing number, the IBAN, the SWIFT code. Make sure that you put everything that the accountant at ACABA will require to be able to make that transfer. You can also put M-Pesa if you wanted to. So you can say, I want M-Pesa and I want it to go to whatever number you select here. And you can put whatever details you want to put here. If you want the money sent to PayPal, make sure you supply all the information that is required for the accounting team to be able to make that transfer. So there's less need for you to consult with someone. If you do the right thing on your side, then when you make the request, it automatically goes to the accounting team. And when they receive it, they will be able to get the information where to send the money, because you've already set this page up, and then they will just notify you that the payment has been made. So let's look at the store. Here at the bottom, there's the store. There's if you want to edit your account, and then we'll be logging out in a short while. Okay, so this is the store. The store is Abia and Namakena, because that's how this particular author signed up. You can see the details that were reflected in the dashboard, or on the dashboard. So the details are there. And then these are the products by this particular author. And this store is what your customers and readers, this is what they see when they visit your store on the front end. So make sure that it looks the way you'd want, put the correct details. And then let's look at your account details if you'd want to make some changes. So this is your account details. So you have the names, you can change that. You have the email address, and if you'd want to change your password, then you're able to do that from this section. Once you're done, it's important for you to log out so that you keep your account secure. We look forward to more sales.